Alright, so we're working on an '07 Cummins with the 5.9 diesel. I'm just doing a fuel filter replacement. Right here is your fuel canister. And what I'm using to take off the housing is, I think I picked these up on Amazon. It's 3/8 drive, low profile fuel filter socket set. I'm going to use a 29mm. Here is the fuel filter part number. And I believe I picked this up at O'Reilly's for 30 bucks. Comes with the new O-ring for the canister. So 29mm. So you can kind of do this one or two ways. You can take the housing off first. Down here is your drain valve. When you open that up, it will release fuel. Alright. Alright, so here's the old fuel filter. It just pops out. You need to replace the O-ring. And always clean around and get any debris out. Install the new O-ring. Insert new fuel filter. Make sure all the tabs make sure it's locked into place with all the tabs. If you can get a rag down inside and clean inside that housing. And then what I always do, lock that drain valve back into position. I always go hand tight. So I'm set to 25 foot-pounds. Okay, that's torqued down. Alright, so the correct method to prime this fuel system, right now I'm key on, engine off, and that's only going to run the transfer pump for I think approximately 2 seconds. So the correct procedure to prime this is to just have the key in the crank position, and what you're going to do is you're just going to crank it but not start it, and that'll run the transfer pump, I believe, for approximately 25 seconds. So now you let it run for 25 seconds. To verify that you have no leaks,